Hello dear Capricorn, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading from 20th of June till 30th of June. Keep in mind these readings might or might not resonate with you because these are general love readings, okay? So, and another thing is that the roles can be reversed anytime, okay? So let's start with your reading, Capricorn. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, your partner's current energy right now is Capricorn. Your partner's current energy, let's see, Empress. Okay, so I feel like Empress to me is a Taurus card. I don't know why I always get the vibe of Taurus card from the Empress. So I feel like you could be dealing with the Taurus first of all, and I feel like right now your partner is being very creative, or your partner is somebody who's from a creative field, related to art, related to acting, related to anything like painting or singing or dancing like this. Okay, for some of you, your partner could be pregnant. This is a pregnancy card. If you're married, so I feel like your partner is married, or you guys might be planning for a kid right now. Okay, this is the thing. So right now your partner is being very creative, being very beautiful, and thinking about themselves only, thinking about manicure pedicure and looking beautiful and all that. So it's all about self-care and looking good and feeling good in their own skin. So this is their current energy. Let's clarify. Nine of Wands, King of Swords, and the Nine of Swords. Okay, so I feel like now I'm getting the vibe that this person is wearing a mask on their face, but deep down they are deeply hurt by something. Okay, they are emotionally off. They are concealing their feelings. They are trying to hide their feelings, but they are very stressed about something in their life. Okay, so I feel like this person is deeply hurt, and this person is creating some kind of walls behind them, some kind of walls around them, and this person is making trying to make their life okay. They're trying to make their life good because something happened to them, and that's why they are deeply hurt, but still they are carrying hope and positivity that everything is going to be fine. Okay, and this person is trying to conceal their feelings, this person is trying to hide their feelings, and okay, and I feel like this person is acting little weird with you. It's like a cutthroat situation, so they are going to act like very rude and mental game, might be playing some kind of manipulation game or mind games with you, because this person wants you to realize that they are very good without you, and they are really very happy without you, Capricorn. This is the situation, but deep down they are very anxious, very stressed. They are mentally stressed, mentally exhausted. They are not able to sleep. They are going through some kind of insomnia, depression, migraine pain. This is the situation here, but they are wearing the mask that everything is okay and I'm good and I'm looking good, I'm working on myself, I'm fucking good without you as well. This is the situation. Okay, so Capricorn, let's see what's your current energy. Capricorn, your current energy right now is, let's see, your current energy right now is Capricorn. Temperance, I feel like you are trying to be very patient. This is the card for you, Temperance. So I feel like right now you are acting very mature, very practical, very down to earth. Capricorn are anyway very mature and very down to earth and practical, because this is a big sign and earth sign. Okay, and I feel like you are trying to maintain balance in your life, trying to control your emotions, control your anger, control your resentment. You are trying to be as calm and as mature as possible, because it's this card is all about patience. You are being very patient with yourself, might be, or with the other person right now. This is the situation. Let's clarify. Six of Swords, the Hermit in reverse, and the Five of Wands. I feel like you're trying to move towards a peaceful resolution in your life, peaceful future in your life, but you are not, stable-minded. You are not stable from inside. Okay, you are feeling some kind of chaos in your life. You are feeling some kind of instability, and you are feeling some kind of conflict in your life. See, this is a conflict card. This is the Five of Wands. Nobody is looking at anybody, and all are fighting with each other, and the results are zero. So this is what is happening with you right now. You are trying to do right now is to balance your life, balance your emotions, but you are not mentally stable. You are not stable from inside. You are not feeling happy from inside, and you are feeling very conflicted. Might be you are fighting with somebody. Okay, there is conflict in your life. Might be you're fighting with somebody, might be you're fighting with the other party, with the person that you are connected with. That's the other party I'm telling you, I'm saying. So this feels like, although you're trying to be although you're trying to be very very patient and mature and practical, I feel like you're not able to do that because you are somewhat stuck. Okay, this is the situation here. Okay, let's see what your partner feels for you, Capricorn. Your partner's feelings for you. Let's see your partner's feelings for you, Capricorn. What this person feels for you. Judgment. So I feel like this person wants to give this connection another chance. This person wants to give this connection second chance, and they want to give rebirth to this connection. They want to, let the past be in the past and start all over again. So this is a card of rebirth. The angel is, there's some kind of instrument that the angel is using. I don't know the name of this instrument. I'm sorry. And the dead bodies are, dead bodies are coming out of their graves and there's a rebirth. So the angel is giving this chance to the dead bodies to come out of their graves and start their life all over again. So these are their feelings for you. They want to, let the past be in the past and start all over again. This is the energy. They want to forgive you. They want to, seek forgiveness from you if you did something wrong to them, or if they did something wrong to you. So this is basically the card of reconciliation. So they feel like there should be reconciliation in this connection, and there should be a second chance in this connection. This is their feelings for you. Let's clarify. Seven of Swords, Ace of Wands, and the Temperance again. So I feel like this person also is trying their best to control their emotions, to hide their emotions. I feel like this person is being very very self-deceptive. They are hiding their feelings from themselves only. Okay, they are like, I don't want this person in my life. I don't want Capricorn in my life. This is not done. This is not happening. But they are dying to have a brand new start in this connection. They are, dying to start this connection all over again with passion. They want passion back in this connection. They are very very self-deceptive. There's something that they are hiding from you. Okay, and the truth is coming out in the light. So might be there's something that they're hiding from themselves. Might be their inner feelings. Might be their deep feelings, and they are, although feel like there should be a brand new beginning in this connection, they are trying to balance their emotions just like you. They are mirroring you in their feelings. That's your current energy as well, and that's their current energy as well, that they want to, control their emotions, control their temper, be very very patient and mature and practical. This is what they feel for you, and they want to, give this connection second chance. They feel like at least there should be energetically, at least they are feeling like there should be a second chance in this connection. There should be reconciliation in this connection. This is what they are feeling. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see, Capricorn. Seven of Wands. I feel like this person wants you to stop being very very defensive, stop being very very rude. So I feel like you're acting very defensive right now. Whenever they are coming to, whenever they are coming towards you to have an open and honest conversation, you are blocking them. You are not listening to them. You are not ready to compromise in any situation. You are like, okay, although you are coming to me, it's fine, but I'm not going to compromise in any kind of situation. I know I'm right. I'm just going to stand my own ground no matter what the situation is. So this is what they want from you. They want you to come out of this defensiveness and have an open and honest conversation with them and start this connection all over with scratch, from scratch. Not with scratch, from scratch. Okay, let's start the clarification of Seven of Wands, Eight of Wands, Ace of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. Oops. So this person wants to have open and honest conversation in this connection because they want you to stop this defensiveness, stop acting being cold and detached and off, and talk to them. Open and honest conversation will bring the connection back to life. And I feel like eventually they want love from you. This is the situation. They want you to realize that there is still potential in this connection, there's still love in this connection, and eventually they want you to fall for them. Okay, to have an emotional stable connection with them. This is the situation here. This is what they want from you, Capricorn. Let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June. Let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June. Let's see. Let's see. Queen of Swords, clarification. Okay, there's some kind of clarification coming in towards you. Clear intention, clear cut intentions, clear cut conversation. There's no hide and seek. There's no mental games. There's no, manipulation. Clear cut truth, naked truth. That is what is coming towards you. They are going to tell you their exact intentions, what they want from you, what they want from this connection, and they are going to have an open and honest conversation. Okay, but I feel like although they are coming in towards with open and honest conversation, they are they are going to stop their emotional side. They are going to conceal their emotional side, and they are not going to reveal the whole emotional side to you. This is the situation. Although verbally they are going to be very very open and honest, but emotionally I feel like this person is going to hide something from you, hide something, hide their feelings from you. This is the situation here. Contradictory things, but yes, this is the truth here. Let's see the clarification. The Hierophant could be dealing with the Taurus, the Ten of Swords, and the Strength, you could be dealing with the Leo. So I feel like this person is coming in towards you. This person wants to have a solid committed connection with you in the future, not right now, in the future. And they are feeling like the worst is over now. This is the worst that could happen to us now. We can start all over again and let's start from scratch. But again, this person is holding back. So I feel like this person is not going to show you their emotional side, but they are going to show you their intellectual side, their mental side. You can say they are going to be very very sharp mentally, and they are going to take their decision from their mind rather than their heart. So this is what is coming in towards you from this person till the 30th of June. So I hope Capricorn, this reading will give you some kind of insight regarding your love life, and you will be able to make some kind of decision regarding your life. And of course, this is your free will, what you want to do. These readings are journal love readings, and do not guarantee any kind of might be resolution or truth, you can say. So thank you so much Capricorn for tuning in, and God bless you. Namaste. This is Anjali Charo. God bless. Namaste.